Ever wondered how sunflower oil could contribute to your health? This golden liquid extracted from the seeds of the radiant sunflower is commonly used in our kitchens, adding flavor to our dishes. But its uses extend beyond the culinary world. It's also a popular ingredient in beauty regimes, known for its skin-enhancing properties. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. There's so much more to sunflower oil than meets the eye. Stay with us as we unlock the health benefits of this golden liquid. Let's dive into the heart of the matter, and your skin too. Sunflower oil is a powerhouse of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, especially linoleic acid. These healthy fats work their magic by lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease. Now let's talk about skin. The vitamin E present in sunflower oil is a potent antioxidant, shielding the skin from harmful oxidative stress and promoting a healthy, radiant glow. So not only does your heart benefit, but your skin gets a healthful boost too. Moving on to how sunflower oil can soothe and defend your body. The secret lies in its anti-inflammatory properties. When you incorporate sunflower oil into your meals, it works to reduce inflammation in your body, offering relief and comfort. Additionally, this golden oil packs a punch of vitamin E, a potent defender. It's like having a personal bodyguard for your immune system, ready to help ward off infections. A little sunflower oil can go a long way in keeping inflammation at bay and bolstering your immune system. Guess what? Your gut and cells get to enjoy the sunflower oil benefits too. The fiber present in sunflower oil aids in promoting smooth digestion, ensuring that your body's nutrient absorption is optimized. But the goodness of sunflower oil doesn't stop there. Its rich content of antioxidants, specifically vitamin E and selenium, acts as a protective shield for your cells. These antioxidants combat harmful free radicals, preventing cellular damage and promoting overall health. That's a win for your gut health and a shield against cell damage. But wait, there's more. Sunflower oil isn't just a one-trick pony. It's an energy booster, thanks to the healthy fats that provide quick sustenance for the body. It supports bone health, being a good source of vitamin K, crucial for bone strength and blood clotting. Your hair too can benefit from sunflower oil, nourishing the follicles and strengthening strands. And let's not forget its role in mood regulation, with omega-3 fatty acids important for brain health. Incorporating sunflower oil into your diet and beauty regime can truly radiate health benefits. So, are you ready to let sunflower oil shine in your life? From heart and skin health to immune support and inflammation reduction, sunflower oil is a versatile ally for your well-being. It's a quick energy booster, beneficial for digestion, and even promotes healthier hair. And let's not forget its mood-regulating properties. So why not consider adding a dash of sunflower radiance to your meals? Remember, a little sunflower oil can radiate big health benefits. Till next time, stay healthy.